How to see the private Instagram following list on your Instagram app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see the following list of some person that have made their Instagram account private. The very first step is to go on the Google Play Store. After launching your Google Play Store, on the top search bar you can simply search for Instagram right there. If you see any latest version update right there, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Instagram as it is. And now if you want to see the person's ID, then let's just tap any random name. So if this is the person, so yes, we can see that this account is private right here. Now I cannot see the followers or following list of this account. So how can I see is the very first option is to go and follow this very person, and if they accept my follow request, then I can simply see the followers and following of their account. So if you want to see if this person has followed a certain person or not, then you can simply tap on the other person's name, and if they have not made their account private, then go on their followers list, and if they have their following or follow list there, then you can see that, oh, this person have also followed the person that you are searching. So you can search it by going on the profile of the person that account is not private or the person that you're already following, and that way you can see the followers or following list on certain person. But yes, the very easy option is that if the person accepts your request, then you can see any following or followers list on the private account of Instagram. This is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.